Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, welcome. My name is Charlene for those of you who don't know, and for those of you who've been around for a minute, I am super happy to have you. It has been a minute since I did a makeup tutorial. One of the subscribers suggested that I do a look on the eye and face palette that I got in the beauty box that I recently unboxed, and I thought that it was an amazing idea. Today we are going to do a look. I do not know what type of look I'm going to do. We do have some amazing colors in this palette and I want to do something creative. This will be a one brand tutorial. Everybody knows I'm a Lancome fan, and one day I want to be like, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Lancome. That is the dream. And you guys will not believe what time it is, but I took a nap earlier because I was not feeling well and I have all the energy right now. And I thought this was the perfect time to do a video. So I'm doing a one brand makeup tutorial. Don't know what the look is gonna be. So I went through my products and I chose all the products I have from Lancome that I wanted to use for this look. Let's get into the look. So the very first thing I'm gonna use today is the Prep and Matte by Lancome. This is a refreshing mattifying primer, and this one is all day hydration. For those of you who are not familiar, I am super oily, and so majority of my products will be mattifying. For the base, I'm going to use the Tint It All Ultra. I just recently talked about this one in my empties video. This one is in the shade 510. The one that was empty was in the shade 520. I go between the two. I do like them both. Lancome goes for the nice soft and subtle looks, and I do not want my base to be too much. I do not have a concealer, so I will not even show it on camera. I am going to conceal my under eye and I will be right back. Alright guys, I am back and my under eye is set, my face is set. I am using the La Base Paupier Pro. This is the long wear eyeshadow base. And this year we got the Parisian Wanderlust palette. This one has the eye like you've already seen. It also has the face, which I'm very excited to use this highlight. I am also going to use the dual-ended brush. This is the eyeshadow and blush brush. I'm gonna go in with this color right here in the outer half of the crease. I'm gonna go right in the second half of the eye. And then I'm gonna go with the one next to it. Not too bad. I will repeat the same thing on the other side. Okay, so this is what we have right now. For the blush, I'm gonna try the one that came in the palette right here. It's very pretty. Tap off the excess and apply. So this is what we have so far. I'm kind of underwhelmed by the palette just because I feel like the blush is just too shimmery for my personal taste, but it gets the job done. But I still need to contour just a little bit so I can get some dimension. I'm using the Tint It All Ultra makeup stick, and this is in the shade 555 Suede. Just right here, I will go in and apply a little bit of that dark shade so we can have some dimension. I do like to cut those cheekbones even if they are pretty cut already. And I'm using this Brow Densify in the shade number 12 dark brown, and it is by Lancome. Really, really good. Alright, so these are the brows before any type of shaping. So I'm gonna go off camera and shape the brows up, and I will be right back. Tricks. The brows are looking better. I'm gonna go in with the same brown shade I used earlier right here and go underneath so we can have a little bit more dimension. I always try to balance it off because I do not want to leave it, you know, bare. And to add some more dimension, I'm gonna go in with that really sparkly shade because it's like calling my name. So I'm gonna go in with the Fix It, Forget It by Lancome. Spray the brush a little bit. I feel like the shade might apply just a little bit better with just a little bit of that Fix It and Forget It. Yeah. Oh, pretty. Very pretty effect that I am loving. So we just switched up the game with this. Adding that little bit of gold shimmer in the inner half was magical. I'll go in with this gold highlight that has been calling my name. So it really makes that contour that I applied earlier stand out. So for the lips, I'm gonna keep it nude and glossy because I feel like it will go with the vibe. So I'm gonna apply my lip pencil. For the lip, I'm gonna go in with Natural Beauty. And as a topper, I'm gonna go in with this ultra shiny lip gloss. This is the Seal Booster that I always rave about. I'm using the Grandiose Extreme in the color number 1. I am gonna go in with the Duo. Alright, so lashes are in. To finish up the look, I'm gonna use this Fix It and Forget It all over the face. This is the final look using all Lancome products. Of course, our feature of the day, the Parisian Wanderlust Eye and Face Palette that came in the holiday box. So this is the look I came up with. I wanted to do something, I don't know, I wanted to see what colors I would gravitate towards, and for me, I did not find the perfect crease color because I wanted something more warm like brown or something like that. So I went with this mauve type of shade towards it's the darkest color towards the black in the end, and it ended up working out really well. I also used this shimmery shade right here, and I used this gold shade down here to do the inner half of my eye. I think that the palette has a lot of fallout. You get it basically for free in the holiday box, so that's amazing. We do have some fun colors in there to play with. I probably need to play with the colorful one because the blue on this is very pretty, so I might do another look with that. But there's some fallout, but you can get a very pretty look using the palette. I also use the highlight, which is very subtle but very pretty. I use the gold highlight. I did not like the blush so much, but it's also very subtle. Not surprising, very Lancome. Their products are not like over the top pigmented, but they work and you can definitely get a good look with it. So overall, for the price you pay for the beauty box, I think this is a great addition to the box. I don't necessarily mind the fallout, honestly. If I can make it work, then I'm okay with that. I also like that it has a mirror in it, which is a pretty big mirror, and you can see your entire face. I like that. Let me know what you guys thought about it. Like I said, it's nothing revolutionary, but it's pretty and it's wearable, and you can definitely get some cute looks from this palette. So that is it for my video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys soon. Bye bye.